Hello guys, IntoCryptoSpace here, and let's get into it. So, there was an interesting morning today. With the AMA session, nothing crazy was expected, but I guess a lot of people saw this as sells the news type of event. Um, it is what it is. A lot of people panic sold. There's a couple of people just exiting on their positions, and the rest, unfortunately, did sell. Did sell. And it is what it is. I haven't tracked any of them. I hope none of them have sold at a loss. I hope none of them were emotional when executing those trades. But sure enough, it had almost dropped down to the 14, a little under the 14 mil market cap, and it was at a high of 18.5. And get this, it just simply dropped just due to a sell the news event. And it wasn't even anything crazy enough to sell on. But respectively, people that sell, and I always encourage on a project that all I care for, someone that is convicted on their positions, volume, baby. We'll take it any day of the week. And new holders, there was probably hundreds that got in at a huge discount fire sale because they knew what was coming. Bravo. Bravo. For any of you guys that really cared to listen to the AMA, I do have a video that is currently uploading now. It is about an hour and a half. It is a long AMA session, which was great in my view. I don't think there was much of a reason to have a sell-off. It was just an exit of one of the whale's bags. Unfortunately, some people that did get wrecked, some other people took it as an opportunity and saw it for what it was, an opportunity. But for those that want to see the AMA session, it will be on the on my dashboard. It is currently uploading, and let's get into conversations here. So it got just under the 14 mil line, and it had started this morning pushing two all-time highs into the 18.5. So pretty big deficit, but at the end of the day, it's a meme token. It's to be expected. Volatility, and these are where you want to pay attention to because you can secure some really fire sale type of prices, and a lot of people did. And congratulations to those who have, and to all the new members that we have in the community. I learned something new today where the holder count here, that's probably in retrospect to VVS. So one of the most bullish things about this project that you should be happy, just as happy, is that when I go to CRONOS scan, scrolling down here, you can see that there's 7,446 addresses. This is insane. We're pushing to close to 10,000 within a 2 to 3 week time frame of opening up. And this is without any centralized exchange listing. It's just insanity, which is amazing. It's amazing the exposure that we're getting. It's amazing how lit the Discord server is. I love the sarcasm. I love the energy here. And it really, when you deep dive into this project, there's no reason for anyone to be insecure or to be going with emotions. And honestly, if it's a matter of your initial investment, I always say pull that out and ride with house money. Take the emotions out of it and just go with it. Enjoy your time here. Meme coins are supposed to be fun. Meme communities are supposed to be fun. So stop making it emotional and just enjoy what you see. It was great being in a Discord, and hundreds of people were being sarcastic and talking about, oh no, panic buying, oh no, panic selling. Let's go. It's time to get going. A lot of people, I like, one of my jokes is that I only panic buy at an all-time high. Like, it's just one of those things. And it really does feel good when you can just take a step back and just have confidence in your project, a confidence in your community. And it's doing so well. We're pushing on to another cool thing about things like today, right? A lot of people saw it as a negative. Look at the volume. So this is MF Finance. So let's go to VVS. Look at this volume, 2.3 million in volume. I think we have already passed more trading volume today than Crow has, which is amazing. We are beating the native token that is purchased for all the other meme tokens and Crow itself, Crow with knife, Ka, ticker symbol Ka. Like, this is just amazing. This is like everything you could possibly look at and want as a meme token is here. And expectations, like any other successful meme token, volatility. It happens. But you know what makes the person that pulls out 100,000 from the person that pulls out 5,000 is confidence. You need to have conviction. Yes, risk and reward tolerance. I get it. But we are there early, first 2 weeks. We're pushing onto that 15 to 20 mil market cap area. Think about that. Think about the day that we hit 20 million market cap, which will be soon. 50 is nothing compared to that then, at that point, right? It's not far. And then if it gets, sure enough, for the ideology that if you can get to 20, you can easily get to 25. And if you can get to 30, you can get to 50. And then 100 is, it's just a matter of time, So here I am, IntoCryptoSpace, talking about call again. Not because, well, yes, I'm financially invested in it, but I feel good about it, right? I'm transparent. I'm not pushing it and then selling it on you guys. If there's a little bit of selling that I'm doing, I'm just trying to day trade $1,000, try to get a better entry point because I'm trying to buy a house later this year with my girl. Like everybody has their goals. Everybody has their intentions. But I am here for a large portion, 50% of my bag, for that 100 mil to 200 mil market cap. That's what I want. And that's where a majority of my profits will be taken because that is game-changing money. But a moon bag will be left. It will be left because you know why? I still have conviction and confidence that this project will get there. And it will get there. It's just a matter of patience. So regardless, whatever you need to do to remove that emotion, because I want everyone to be successful here. I want everybody to make money. Meme coins are supposed to be fun. Come join the Ka Nation. Kaka, as the Destruction had noted. He says Ka at least 5 times a day. He did note he disperses it, so don't say it back to back. Do what the legend does himself. And other than that, join the community. Get in on the shilling. Spread the YouTube content. It's all about the community. And I'm really happy to be here. I'm looking to put some more money in later tonight on, banks and, all the games that they play. But hopefully we can get there. I would like to add another 500 billion to the bag here. But this is looking good. Let this consolidate. Let it find its footing. And then we start climbing again. It's only the second into third week. We're going to be pushing on to another 250 to another 500 holders tonight. And eventually, they can't ignore us. And with that being said, Jay Lin, the Crypto.com representative that was hosting the event, literally stated, "You are taking the CRONOS chain by storm." So they see us. They know us. It's just a matter of time. Corgi AI, I always say it, they took 8 months to hit $1 billion. I believe it was 2 months to get listed. We're early. So yes, day trade, have fun. Try to get the better price entries. Wait on it, that's fine. But you eventually might wait a little too long, and this current 15.1 market cap, it could be 25. So as I always say, spread your seeds. It's going to be a thing. Oh, IntoCryptoSpace, he's talking about spreading seeds again. spread your seeds. Put a little bit of money here. At the end of the day, if it goes down, great. Down cost average, you can get a better bag. But if in case it goes up, you are covering yourself. And you're making sure that at whatever point, 15.1 million market cap right now, if you can also see that 100 mil in its future, in this future, that's about a 6x, right? 6 times 10, 6 times 5, just about. So whatever you put in, times that by 6. And if you do have the balls to wait for, in this case, 150 million market cap, add a 0 to that investment, baby. So stay with us, guys. I am here to talk to you about these things. I love having the likes and comments. People asking me questions on YouTube. This is amazing. I love it. You're giving me purpose as a YouTube creator, content creator, and I enjoy what I do. I hope that's translated by these conversations. But as always, I always look for volume. I always look for holder count increase. The Discord is always crazy. I love the energy. The shilling on Twitter, very important. And even though people took today's news, which wasn't really news, it was just a form of exposure as a sell the news event, that is beautiful. We introduced ourselves to 5 other major projects on the CRONOS blockchain. And we did our thing. It's beautiful, guys. As always, guys, IntoCryptoSpace, you let me know if you need me to talk about something specific in the crypto world, in the DeFi world. If you have questions, drop it down below. Say hi. Call me. I love it all. I love it all. All right? Again, guys, not financial advice. Always like to put it at the end of this. Whatever I do, it's not what you should do unless you feel convicted to do so. Don't use this as research alone. This is just a conversation from one guy who is bullish on the project, wants to be as transparent as possible, but do your own research because you need to stay convicted on your plays. Thank you again. This is IntoCryptoSpace for the last time. Until next time. Thanks, guys.